AI already generates significant value. At the moment, it's still small. Majority see less than 5% increase in revenue and less than 10% decrease in costs. I think, ironically, for risk, legal, and compliance, it's mainly the cost reduction that is the visible impact. Again, majority of the people see it less than 10% cost reduction. I think there's huge potential to see significant shifts in revenue generation and cost reductions. The graph on the right I like in particular because it showed a very interesting study, and I know it's one of many studies, so don't treat it as being conclusive. But it's curious. It's very curious. An organization conducted tests with physicians, with doctors, and they basically compared three sample groups. Doctors with their own existing knowledge base, textbooks and whatever's in their mind, and their typical access to whatever tools they normally use. And they show a distribution of performance of correct diagnosis. Then they've given ChatGPT a newer version, so it's a good one, to the same physicians, and they saw a slight improvement in the average performance, and then the distribution of the performance has increased as well. So the volatility has increased. So some of the underperformers started to perform even less. And that's, on average, there's a minor improvement. So you can easily argue that AI improves our work. But then what they did is they took the doctors out of the picture and just used AI for diagnosis. And that showed less volatility and a significantly higher average performance, which is pretty scary.